Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make Pakki Mutton Biryani. So let's go and see how I'm gonna make it. So first I'm gonna marinate mutton with chili powder, turmeric and salt. So I'm gonna put this into the mutton and mix it well and leave it for a couple of hours. Now I'm gonna take few more ingredients to put together into the marination. So first I took Shahi jeera, Fennel powder, Garam masala, Coriander powder, bay leaves, black cardamom, cinnamon stick, cloves, green cardamom, stone flower, chili flakes and star anise. So I'm going to put all these into the mutton marination, mix it well and leave it. Then add bay leaves. So I'm going to wash them before I'm going to put into the marination because they contain some mud on them. So I'm also going to add some oil and mix it well and leave it until I'm going to start cooking. Now I'm going to take few more ingredients. So before that I washed the rice and soaked it, and I took few more ingredients to put into the rice while cooking, that is Shahi jeera, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, green cardamom, cloves and stone flower. So I already soaked rice for more than half an hour. Now I took ginger, garlic, coriander, shallots, chilies and onions to fry. Maybe you want to use fried onions. And I also took 1 cup of yogurt. So now I'm going to put ginger, garlic, mint, coriander and shallots into the grinder jar. I'm going to mix it. And now I'm going to put my mutton on the stove and switch it on. I'm going to cook it until it's half done. Now meanwhile I'm going to grind all those ingredients which I put in the jar, and I'm going to make a fine paste. I'm going to put into the mutton. Let's mix it before I put the mixture into that. So now add that paste into the mutton. So meanwhile prepare your fried onions. So I'm gonna fry my onions along with some chili. Maybe I'll use fried onions that is pre-made later. So I'm gonna do it side by side along with my mutton. Now I have put my yogurt into the mutton. I'm gonna mix it well and I'm gonna cook few more minutes, and meanwhile I'll prepare my rice. So my onions are ready here. So I'm gonna put half of my onions into the mutton which is cooking beside it. So now I'm gonna add some of the onions into it. If I don't have enough, I'm gonna take pre-made fried onions. Now I have put my rice on the stove. I'm gonna add the ingredients I showed before into the rice, and I'm gonna also add lemon juice. Maybe you want to use one of them, and salt according to your taste, and then I'm gonna add boiling water. So I took 700 grams of mutton, and I'm going to take the equal amounts of rice for my mutton, for my biryani. I always like the equal amounts. Maybe you can take more mutton, less rice, or less mutton, more rice. So now I'm going to put my stove on and I'm going to pour boiling water, and I'm going to cook my rice until it's done 70 to 80%. You can add some garam masala if you want, and lemon juice. So I'm gonna add my lemon juice. I'm using the bottle one. If you want, you can use fresh one. So you can see the rice is boiling there, and it's 50% done. So now I'm gonna cook it a few more minutes until it's 80% done. So my mutton is ready. So I'm gonna put my rice on top of mutton. So all done there. I've put onions and covered it with the foil, and I'm gonna put my lid over it. So the foil and the lid on top of it, it gives air tight. It doesn't allow the vapor to go out. So I'm gonna put on dum now. So first I have put on high for 8 minutes, then I reduced to low for 40 to 50 minutes. Now you can see my biryani is ready there. Ta-da! Into my plate. I can smell the yummy biryani there. Hope you like this recipe. Thank you. See you again.